Students, welcome to my English class of grade 5th. Today in this video, we will revise about the poem Laughing Song. Students, I have already explained you about this poem in the last video. Today, we will revise this poem for your unit test exam. Let's begin with the question answers. Then we will revise word meanings of this poem Laughing Song. Students, this poem is written by William Blake. Come to the first question. How do the green woods laugh? The green woods laugh with the voice of joy. Green woods कैसे laugh कर रहे हैं? Green wood laugh करते हैं with the voice of joy. Voice of joy means happiness. Why do you think the stream is dimpling? The stream is dimpling because it is laughing. Stream जो है क्यों dimpling कर रही है? क्योंकि वो laugh कर रही है. Dimpling क्या होता है? Dimpling can also refer to the effects that the ripples or tiny waves in the stream cause. जो waves होती हैं पानी की, वाटर की जो वाटर होता है उसकी जो लहरें होती हैं, उसके जो इफेक्ट्स आते हैं उससे रिवर में, वो क्या होता है? उसका मीनिंग डिम्पलिंग. तो स्ट्रीम किसको कहा गया है? द स्ट्रीम इज डिम्पलिंग बिकॉज इट इज लाफिंग, क्योंकि वो लाफ कर रही है. व्हाट मेक्स द एयर लाफ? कौन सी चीज एयर को लाफ कर रही है? The merry wit of the poet and others with him makes the air laugh. The merry wit of the poet and others with him makes the air laugh. Merry wit क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? जो पोएट है और उसके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, जो भी वो वर्ड्स बोलते हैं, वो बोलते हैं, उससे जो एयर है वो हंसती है उन वर्ड्स से. What is spread on the table? Cherries and nuts are spread on the table. Cherries and nuts कौन सी चीज़ थी जो स्प्रेड हुई थी टेबल के ऊपर? कौन सी चीज़ थी जो टेबल के ऊपर थी? Cherries and nuts. What is the meaning of chorus? How does the poet describe it? Chorus refers to the poet of a song that is repeated many times. Chorus क्या होता है? रेफर करता है उसको, कोई भी जो पार्ट ऑफ सॉन्ग होता है. chorus क्या होता है? कोई भी पार्ट ऑफ सॉन्ग. chorus refers to the part of a song that is repeated many times, जो बार बार रिपीट होता है. The poet describes it as sweet. तो poet ने उसको क्या डिस्क्राइब किया? As a sweet. Now come to the extracts. When the meadows laugh with lively green, what happens to the grasshopper when the meadows laugh with lively green? The grasshopper laughs in the merry scene when the meadows laugh with lively green. Students, meadows क्या होता है? Field of grass. So, जो grasshopper है उसको क्या होता है जब meadows laugh करते हैं ग्रीनरी में? The grasshopper laughs in the merry scene when the meadows laugh with the lively green. तो grasshopper भी हंसता है उस सीन में जब meadows laugh करते हैं ग्रीनरी में. Who else can be seen in the meadows? Mary, Susanne and Emily can also be been seen in the meadows. कौन दिखते थे meadows में? जो 3 friends थे, Mary, Susanne and Emily. What do they do in the meadows? They sing ha ha he with their sweet round mouths in the meadows. वो क्या सिंग करते हैं meadows में? ha ha he. अपनी sweet sound से वो इसको वो वहाँ पे सिंग करते हैं. Now come to the second extract where our tables with cherries and nuts is spread. Whose table is spread with cherries and nuts? किसके टेबल के ऊपर स्प्रेड हुए थे? किसके टेबल के ऊपर चेरीज एंड नट्स थे? The table of the poet and others with him is spread with cherries and nuts. जो पोएट था और जो पोएट था और उसके फ्रेंड्स थे, जो पोएट था और उसके फ्रेंड्स थे, उनके टेबल के ऊपर क्या चीज़ थी? चेरीज एंड स्प्रेड. किसके टेबल के ऊपर थी? थे चेरीज एंड नट्स, पोएट और उसके फ्रेंड्स के टेबल के ऊपर. What does the poet ask us to do once the table is spread? The poet asks us to join him, live and be merry once the table is spread. What is the sweet chorus that the poet talks of? The poet talks of the sweet chorus of ha ha he. Now come to the word meanings. Woods, small forests. Woods, small forests. Dimpling, very light waves. Dimpling, very light waves. Wit, words used to make people laugh. Words used to make people laugh. Chorus, the part of a song that is repeated many times. The part of a song that is repeated many times. Friends, today we have revised question answers, word meaning as well as extracts of this poem. In the next video, we will revise next chapter for your unit test exams. Thank you. Have a nice day.